House of Dutch, I believe the name of this place is. See it online, so we all go check it out and see what it look like. I love give the Jamaican people them, a little bit of shine and respect, even though the place here get a lot of shine from what we see online. But anyway, me always show the Jamaican them respect. But bro, I gotta tell you, man, these prices are outrageous. I mean, this is a $40 combo right here, bro. We get 3 thin pieces of oxtail. This a pure bone, so this ain't even nothing. And you have some curry chicken right here, which, I mean, $40, bro. You can get all you can eat at a Korean spot for $40 for this particular plate. It's crazy. This is the jerk chicken here. It's a little pork piece or whatever it is, and then we get some festival. I'm gonna be real honest with you, bro. I don't even see they're not even give you a plantain, no salad. This thing is just crazy, bro. I mean, this is what y'all giving over here in Vegas. Is crazy work, bro. I ain't gonna lie to you. But hey, do you. I'm gonna taste it and tell y'all what I think. I hope to God it's worth it. The taste is $40 worth of food. So, I mean, let's see. Rice and peas, not bad. Got some flavor there. Curry chicken. Don't taste home. It don't taste homey. Don't taste like the chicken you would make in your home. You know what I'm saying? Jamaican them no matter, but you have that homey taste. You have that commercial taste. Oxtail, 3 little piece of oxtail teriyaki. No. Oxtail, not, bro, come on. I'm gonna eat it because I paid $40 for this mess. Damn near $50 for everything what you see here. But the flavor ain't where it's supposed to be for that price, bro. I mean, it's extremely expensive. I suggest you guys check it out for yourself. I don't want you to take my word for it. Try it, tell me if you like it. I'll leave the information down in the description. One love, more love, righteousness, Montego Baby. Signing off. Yeah.